In this video, I want to take a look at a combined cycle power plant. I'll show you all of the main components that make up the system. We'll have a look at exactly how they work. We'll look at things like the steam turbine, gas turbine, heat recovery steam generator, electrical transformer, and cooling towers. I'll explain to you what cogeneration, combined cycle, combined heat and power mean. So let's take a look at our 3D model. I'm going to close off that building for the moment, do a little spin. This is how you would see this type of plant in the real world. It wouldn't be this clean, and obviously there would be a floor, but this is the general outlay. But what are they all doing? You can see there are connections between them. We've got piping connecting the cooling towers to the turbine. We've got piping connecting the turbine to the HRSG. And although it's less obvious, we've actually got a connection here between our gas turbine connecting to our HRSG. What we could do, and what many plants have done in the past, is just send all of that hot gas, which is at about 600 degrees Celsius, 1150 degrees Fahrenheit roughly, out through a stack. So our hot gases would come in at the base of the stack here, let's say where my mouse is, and then they would flow upwards and out of the stack. All of that heat energy would be lost. You might be thinking to yourself, wow, what a waste. And you'd be right. In the past, this was not unusual. Energy was cheap. Aside from that, we've got some pumps down here. These are feed water pumps for the various stages. Then we've got a steam turbine. That's this item over here. If we're using the correct name, it should actually be steam turbine generator, because we've got our steam turbine, which is towards the left side of the screen, everything to the left of this line here, and then to the right we've got our generator, so we call that a steam turbine generator. We've got our HP turbine, which is within these lines here. Then we've got our IP turbine, our intermediate pressure turbine, which is within these two lines here. From there we've got our LP turbine, where my mouse is now. So here is our generator. From our generator we go to an electrical transformer, which we can see over here. So we're using the steam to drive a steam turbine, and the steam turbine is driving a generator, and the generator is converting that mechanical energy again into electrical power. How are we cooling the water? We're cooling the water using these cooling cells, also called cooling towers. Now the connections here on this side, if you notice, are at a higher point than the ones on this side. You can see here where my mouse is, there's a connection, and here and here. On the other side they connect at the top of the towers. Cooling water is going to be sent in at the top of the towers, and then it's going to drip down and be drawn out of the tower from the base. The water within our towers cools due to evaporative cooling.